Good morning children. How are you all? What we are discussing regarding the grammar? We are discussing about adjectives. In adjectives we are discussing. And we already discussed that children, adjectives are having 3 degrees: positive, comparative and superlative. Okay, positive is the base form of the adjectives, whereas comparative where we compare two persons, and the superlative degree is the comparison of one person in the whole community or whole class. And some comparatives and superlatives are formed by adding er and est. Some are formed by adding more and most, and some forms in an irregular manner. Some forms in an irregular manner. Now let us discuss few comparatives and superlatives. How to frame? First Roman, give the comparatives. Give the comparatives and superlatives. We will discuss few examples, children. See the first word, happy. Here while writing comparative and this is positive, first we write headings, children. Then easily you can understand. Suppose this is the positive column. Second one is the comparative column, and the third one is the superlative column. Superlative. So let us check once. First one, happy. While writing the happy comparative, we have to remove while. Here in this way. Happy, happier, happiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Poor. Here you have to add poorer, poorest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Late, late, later, latest. Next, sad, sadder, sad, sadder, saddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thinner, thinner, thinnest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay, thin, thinner, thinnest. Many, more, most. Many, more, most. Many, more, most. Happy, happier, happiest. Poor, poorer, poorest. Late, later, latest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Many, more, most. Let us discuss, children, few more adjectives. Famous, more famous, most famous, more famous, most famous. Old, ఓల్డ్ ఎల్డర్ ఎల్డెస్ట్ రాయొచ్చు, ఓల్డర్ ఓల్డెస్ట్ రాయొచ్చు. ఓకే, ఓకే చిల్డ్రన్. నెక్స్ట్ నన్నా bad, worse, worst, bad, worse, worst, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, cold, colder, coldest, cold, colder, coldest, big, bigger, biggest, big, bigger, biggest, biggest. So in this way children, we have learned few adjectives. See once again: famous, more famous, most famous, old, elder, eldest, bad, worse, worst, dirty, dirtier, dirtiest, cold, colder, coldest, big, bigger, biggest. Now let us write few opposites of the adjectives children. Let us learn opposites of the given adjectives. Give the opposites. Our second Roman. Give the opposites. For the following. First one, sharp. What we can write? Blunt. Next one, young. Young opposite, old. Next one, ugly. Ugly opposite, what we can write children? Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Next nana, low. What we can write opposite? High. Low opposite, high. Stupid. Clever. Stupid, clever. Small. Opposite, big. Small opposite, what we can write? Big. Easy. Easy opposite children, difficult. Easy opposite, difficult. Hot, cold or cool. Next children, thin, fat. Thin opposite, fat. Wet, dry, poor, rich, full, empty, full, empty. Now see children, these are the opposites given to you. Sharp, blunt. Sharp opposite, blunt. Young, old. Young opposite, old. Ugly, beautiful. Ugly, beautiful. Low, high. Stupid, clever. Small, big. Easy, difficult. Hot, cool. Thin, fat. Wet, dry. I will write few sentences. You have to identify the adjective and you have to tell what type of adjective it is, whether it is positive, whether it is comparative, whether it is superlative. Let us discuss it. Point out the మనం adjectives కనబడతాం. Point out the adjectives. And name their degrees of comparison. And name their degrees of comparison. Now let us check, children, the first statement given to you. See, Nana, Bombay is hotter than Shimla. Bombay is hotter than Shimla. If you observe the statement, easily you can identify the adjective. What is the adjective given to you here? Hotter. Aim adjective here adjective. Aim avutadi positive degree. Positive. What is that? Positive. Okay, positive degree. Next, coming to our next statement. Ashoka was a great king. ఇక్కడ ER యాడ్ చేయలేదు, EST యాడ్ చేయలేదు, ఏం యాడ్ చేయలేదు. Ashoka was a great king. Here great is the adjectives and it is, sorry nana, ఇక్కడ positive ఎందుకు రాసాం మనం? Here this is comparative degree, children. Comparative. Okay, ER add చేస్తే comparative కదా. So here I did not add any ER and EST. Therefore it is positive degree. It is positive degree. Next, coming to the third one, children. Gopal is the tallest boy in our class. ఇక్కడ మీరు చూస్తే కనుకమ్మా tallest, if you see here, tallest is the superlative degree. What is that? Superlative degree. And coming to the fourth one, children. Who is the best player? Who is the best player in the class or in the team? Best player of your team. If you observe the statement given to you here, Nana, best is the superlative degree. So easily by observing by identifying